Answer is option B. Option B. They have given the diagram of exponential growth. Exponential means it is tremendous growth of bacteria. Because of this, in nature it is not possible. So the option B. Question number 13. Bacterial endotoxin is. Bacterial endotoxin is lipopolysaccharide located on the surface of bacteria, a toxic protein that stays inside the bacterial cell, a toxic protein that is exerted into the medium, a toxic lipid that stays inside the bacterial cell. The answer is, it's a direct question, answer is option A. Next, question number 14. Question number 14. Which of the following is having ssRNA? So, option A, tobacco mosaic virus. Option B, T2 bacteriophage. Option C, pox virus. Option D, 5H174 virus. So, the answer is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Option A. Option A. SS means what? I think most of you know. Single-stranded. Single-stranded RNA. That is SS. Okay? And question number 15. Now let us move to the question number 15. Question number 15. Phycobiont is fungal component in symbiotic association between lichen and fungi, algal component in symbiotic association between lichen and algae, lichen component in symbiotic association between algae and lichen component in symbiotic association between fungus and lichen. So, the answer is option B. Option B. Question number 16. The bacteria that causes botulism are option A, obligate aerobes, option B, obligate anaerobes, option C, facultative anaerobes, option D, facultative aerobes. Here, in this type of questions, I think most of the students might be confused because for some students, they may not know the meaning of botulism. Botulism means food poisoning, and it is caused by Botulina fungus. If we consume the food items which are infected with fungus, then it causes food poisoning. And the most common fungus which grows in the vessels which are oily, which are not cleaned properly, is botulin fungus. And while cooking the food, it will be fried along with the food particles, and it will mixes with the food items, so that when we consume it in stomach and in the digestive system, they start their work, and it is option for us is option B. Option B. What is the scientific name of the botulism or botulina fungus? It is Clostridium botulinum. You should remember this. Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum. And remember, botulin is a neurotoxin. Botulin is a neurotoxin. It causes respiratory and musculoskeletal paralysis. It is dangerous. Question number 17. Question number 17. Which is correct? Which one of the following is correct? Slim molds are haploid. Protozoans lack cell wall. Dinoflagellates are immotile. Pellicle is absent in euglena. Slim molds are haploid. Protozoans lack cell wall. Option B. Option C. Dinoflagellates are immotile. Option D. Pellicle is absent in euglena. The answer is option B. Answer is option B. And I think this much information is enough. Now, question number 18. Question is, mycorrhiza exhibit the phenomenon of parasitism. Option A, parasitism. Option B, symbiosis. Option C, antagonism. Option D, endemism. So, the answer is B. Answer B. Symbiosis. What is symbiosis? Symbiosis is mutual association between the two organisms. For example, hermit crab. I think I told this. Hermit crab and sea anemone association. You know, hermit crab is the most tastiest crab, people they say, and it is white in color, and it is most delicate crab, and many organisms, they prefer to consume it. So it wants to make a friendship with sea anemone, which is usually attached to substratum. It can't move from one place to another place. And the sea anemone, it has ferocious tentacles around the mouth. And when both of these associate themselves, when they walk, it appears like most dangerous animal. So enemies will not come to attack this particular crab. So here, what is the advantage for sea anemone? It is going to get the delicious food from different corners in the river or the place where it is existed. So both association is essential for their survival, better survival. Next, question number 19. Question number 19. Question is, which one of the following is edible fungi? Option A, mucor. Option B, penicillium. Option C, agaricus. Option D, rhizopus. The answer for this is option C. Answer C, because it is rich with proteins. Now I'll move to question number 20. The asexual and sexual spores are formed in breed mold, inbred mold called respectively option A zoospores and aplanospores, option B sporangiospores and zygospores, option C zygospores and sporangiospores, option D sporangiospores and zoospores. So the answer for this is B. Answer is B. Next question is question number 21. Match the following, and I'll go to the answer directly. Answer A for this. What is flagellation? They used a word called flagellation. It is arrangement of flagella. Arrangement of flagella is called flagellation. Question number 22. Question number 22. What is the question? Antherozoids of Markantia are option A long, curved and biflagellate, option B long, straight and multiflagellate, option C long, straight and biflagellate, option D short, curved and biflagellate. So the answer is, it is option D. Option D. Question number 23. An algae very rich in protein is option A chlorella, option B nostoc, option C spirogyra, option D Elothrix. Answer A for this. Answer A. And here you should remember chlorella, I think they have given it as option A. Yes, chlorella is also rich in carotene, riboflavin, and then vitamin B12 and choline component. Then now let us move to question number 24. Parasitic algae is option A Cephalurus, option B Ucheraria, option C Olvox, option D Erogonium. So the answer for this is A. Answer A. Question number 25. In Funaria, stomata are present on the option A stem, option B leaves, option C capsule, option D apophysis. So the answer is option D. Question number 26. Question number 26. In Selaginella, the members of pteridophytes, heterosporous spores are large and small is the option A. B. Asexual and sexual. C. Haploid and diploid. D. All spores are same size. So the answer is option A. And heterosporous condition that we come across here. Now question number 27. Which of the following gymnosperm has the presence of a vessel? Question number 27. Answer for this is option B. In bryophytes. 28 in bryophytes. Both option A, both generations are independent. Option B, sporophytes depend upon gametophyte. Option C, sporophytes complete their life cycle. Option D, gametophytes depends on sporophytes. So the answer is option B, 28. Here I want to give some information. In all bryophytes, the sporophytes is without differentiation into stem and leaves. It is rootless and consists of foot, setae and capsule. The sporophyte is similar than gametophyte. Originally, the parent gametophyte throughout its life, it is attached to parental gametophyte. It is depend upon gametophyte partially or wholly for its nutrition. Question number 29. Hornwords are represented by. Hornwords are represented by. Option A, they have given Bryopsida. Option B, Hepaticopsida. Option C, Xylopsida. Option D, Anthoceratopsida. So the answer is option D. Why usually hornwords, they belongs to Anthoceratopsida. Anthoceratopsida. Because the capsule resembles the horn of the animal. They are called hornwords because the capsule resembles horn of animal. Horn of animals. Question number 30. Thallus of Rixia is option A, haploid. Option B, triploid. Option C, diploid. Option D, tetraploid. So the option is A. Option is A. Next question. In ferns, the term frond is given to option A, root. Option B, leaves. Option C, stem. Option D, sex organ. You know that the frond name is given to option B, leaves. Option B, leaves. Question number 32. The question is, cleavage polyembryony is found in cycas, microcycas, option C, pinus, option D, angiosperm. So the option is C, option C, in pinus plant. It is seen in pinus plant. Question number 33. Protonema stage is found in option A, ferns, option B, mosses, option C, liverworts, option D, fungi. The answer for this question 33 is option B. Option B. What is protonema? Protonema is juvenile gametophyte. Juvenile gametophyte. Next question. Question number 34. In Eulothrix, spores are released during option A, morning, option B, night, option C, evening, option D, any point of time. So the answer is option A. Option A. In Eulothrix, asexual reproduction is by zoospore formation. And zoospore is biflagellate with two flagella, or sometime quadraflagellate. Quadraflagellate. That means with four flagella. And it is uninucleate with one nucleus. Now let us move to question number 35. What is the question? The question is, gametophytic and sporophytic phases are independent in option A, they have given pteridophytes, option B, they have given bryophytes, option C, gymnosperms, option D, phaeophytes. So if in this type of question, you should clearly observe the difference. What they have asked, gametophytic and sporophytic phases are independent in pteridophytes, bryophytes, gymnosperms and phaeophytes. So the answer is pteridophytes, because they are comparatively evolved than bryophytes. And pteridophytes are also known as vascular cryptogams. They are also known as vascular cryptogams because they possess vascular bundle, xylem and phloem, primitive type. Then dominant phase in pteridophyte is sporophytic phase. sporophytic phase. Next question is question number 36. Given below are matchings of animals and its kind of respiratory organs. Question number 36. Silverfish respire with the help of tracheal system, scorpion with book lungs, sea squid with pharyngeal gills, dolphin with skin. The answer for this is option B. Option B. Because question is given below are matchings of animal and its kind of respiratory organ, and we have to find out whether it is correct or not, and the extended question is the correct matchings. You have to find out the correct matchings. So silverfish trachea is correct, scorpion book lung is correct, sea squid pharyngeal gills is also correct, but dolphin skin is not correct, because in dolphin they respire with the help of lungs. They respire with the help of lungs. This point you should remember. Now the next question, question number 37. 37. Which of the following is a matching set of phylum and its three examples? Dear students, you should make a chart, if possible, with regard to phylum and their similar characters, because this type of questions quite common in your NEET as well as CET. They have given the options Porifera, Spongilla, Euplectella and Pennatula, Nidaria, Bonilia, Physalia, Aurelia, Platyhelminthes, Planaria, Schistosoma, Enterobius, Mollusca, Loligo, Pterado, Octopus. So the answer is D. Answer is option D. What is Loligo? It is squid, or it is also called sea arrow. Loligo is squid or sea arrow. And Pterado, you should know the other name. Pterado, shipworm. It is also called shipworm. Then Pennatula. Pennatula, another organism, belongs to Coelenterata. It belongs to Coelenterata. Enterobius vermicularis belongs to Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes. And question number 38. Question number 38. What is the question? Two common characters found in centipede, cockroach and crab are book lungs and antennae, compound eye and anal cirri, jointed legs and chitinous exoskeleton, green gland and trachea. So out of these you should pick up the two common characters. So the answer for this question is option C. They have jointed legs and then chitinous exoskeleton.